So if you look at my screen right now, you see that I just started a brand new course. I call it Simplified AI and Neural Network for Toddlers. And you can see right here, I have part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. And I'm making this video to announce that I'm moving directly into AI and machine learning completely. So in this channel, Kindson The Genius, I'm going to be covering simplified AI concepts, starting from the fundamental concepts of mathematics. But this will be very basic mathematics to help you dive right into the field of AI, machine learning, data science, LLMs, and other tools and technologies. We are going to be covering the fundamentals of neural network, simplified maths for AI beginners, because you can actually not do without some basic maths if you want to get into the field of AI. So the basic maths topics we are going to be covering in a simple form includes basic statistics, basic probability theory, matrices, vectors, tensors, algebra. Then we are going to do some calculus, differentiation, higher order derivatives and partial derivatives, and a few others as well. But rest assured, I'm going to break it down in a very simple manner and you'll be able to follow along. In this channel, we are going to focus on using the tools, Python and related libraries. We're also going to be using visualization tools, maybe including a bit of Tableau or Power BI, and including maybe MATLAB sometimes. So how can you benefit? If you've not subscribed to my channel, you're welcome to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. You can also join me on Patreon, because in this way I can provide customized coaching or customized mentorship based on your level. If you're a beginner, or if you're an intermediate, or you are a professional. So I'd like to welcome you to join me on this journey as we embark on the field of simplified maths and AI fundamentals. So see you in the next part.